Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be working with these 22-inch closure wig. I'll drop down the brand in the description. But I already plucked the wig and I bleached the knots already. Alright, so first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my makeup on the lace or whatever. Normally I put it on the top part too, like up where literally the top part of the closure, but it slipped my mind. But anywho, now I'm putting the wig on. Alright, and then now what you see me doing is I'm just adjusting the strap, trying to get it to at least as tight as I can get it. Alright, so now what I'm doing is I'm just cutting like the little end pieces off the closure. It's like a little, I don't know, y'all see what I'm talking about though. I cut them off to like let it lay as flat as it can, cause sometimes like sometimes it's gonna be in the way if you try to like glue it down with it. I don't know. So now I'm just going in with the bow hold, extreme hold glue, and I'm putting 3 layers on there. And y'all, please make sure, like when y'all putting the lace glue on there, make sure that it turns clear, cause if not, it's gonna look stacked and like the lace glue gonna push through the lace. And when that happens, you might as well go on take it down, cause you can't fix it. So now what y'all see me doing is I'm just pushing in the closure, pushing it into the glue, making sure it's good and secure. And I'm going in with the blow dry to make sure that it's dry, because sometimes you don't want to put the band on there and it's still kind of like wet like, and that definitely will push the glue through the lace. So you kind of want to make sure it's kind of dry a little bit before you put that elastic band on there. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my freeze spray. I'm gonna spray it right where the glue at, and I'm just pushing the hair back. It's gonna make it give it like a more bleak look. And now she finna get ready to go under the dryer for 20 minutes. Alright, so now she back from under the dryer. I'm just finna kind of calm the hair up, because it is gonna be kind of like hard from the freeze spray. So I'm gonna just calm it up, and now I'm gonna get ready to cut the lace off. So y'all, please be careful with this razor. Like, I just got this razor, so it's fresh, and y'all, I ended up cutting my niece. Like, y'all gonna see that on the video. But if you're gonna do somebody else's head, even your head, please be careful, because like them fresh razors, they are easy to, like, I'm telling you, it's easy to cut yourself with. Some people use scissors, but I do use a razor only because a razor give it like that fridge look to it, instead of just going like straight across. Yeah. But I feel like when the closure go like straight across, you can see that line, and that's not cute. You want to get it to blend in as much as possible. But what you see me doing now, y'all, I had to clean it up because it started to bleed. Like, please make sure, please make sure that y'all are being careful, because I'm telling you, you do not want your client bleed. That's one thing you do not want. So she wanted the middle part, so now I'm just making sure that part is good and straight and in the middle, not to the side. And now I'm just gonna get ready to go in with my hot comb. And y'all, I know her lace looked like kind of white, but like I said at the beginning, I forgot to tint the top of the closure, like by the hairline. To me, that makes a difference. But it's fixable. Just keep watching. So when I hot comb it in like sections because I want it to be like, I want it to lay as flat as possible. I feel like when you have a bone straight hairstyle, I feel like it should be laid, like no humps, no nothing. It should just be laid to the guard. So yeah, I kind of like break it off in sections a little bit just to make sure that it's good and straight. Alright, so now I'm finna fix that white, the white part of the lace I was telling y'all about. Only thing I did was just put a little foundation like over it, and that'll kind of like help it melt a little bit. So now I'm just taking out baby hairs and flicking the black back part back, if that makes sense. So now what I'm getting ready to do is spraying that spritz on there. I forgot I had cutter, so go. But yeah, I'm putting the spritz on there. That'll just help it really melt down. So I'm gonna get ready to sit her under the dryer for 15 minutes. Alright, she's back from under the dryer. So now I'm just cutting the baby hairs and getting ready to curl them. So not curl them, I curl them going upward. To me, I guess it don't matter because it's, I don't know, I always curl them up. I never really curl them down, but either way it'll work. So now I'm going in with the mousse to lay the baby hairs down, mold them in place. Alright, so now I'm going in with 3 of the paper wrap, black paper wrap. I'm gonna put 3 on there. And she didn't even tell me it was 3, but she supposed to be holding. But child, we both was just trying to go and get done. See what I'm saying? Supposed to be holding it. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go in and put some mousse on there. I put the mousse on there to mold it down. That'll help with flyaways and just help it lay flat. Now she finna go under the dryer for 15 minutes. Alright, so now we back from under the dryer, and she said she wanted bone straight. So I'm just going in with some oil sheen and some of my heat protectant. And I'm getting ready to flat iron it. So when I flat iron my when I do bone straight or whatever, basically I break it down in sections. I don't kind of just flat iron and just hit it a couple times. No, I actually break it down like in sections, and that way I know like almost every strand is getting that heat and it's gonna be bone straight. Alright, and then basically I did the same thing to the other side. And boom. Yes, come through, niecey. Yeah, this is my niece. I don't know if I told y'all or not, but yes. She want me to do her hair for school. I told her I got her. This her first set of inches, 22 inches. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all subscribe, and thank y'all for watching.